Hey fans, it's me Shriya, and today I'm gonna be making another YouTube video of my dancing. And last time my voice was a bit too quiet, so that's why I am gonna be making my voice a bit louder so that you can hear it. But before I get started with my video, I want you to like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications and comment down below what kind of favorite song do you like. Okay, so let's get started with this video. And I'm just gonna go back. 3, 2, 1, go. I hope you liked my video. If you did, just like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications and comment down below again which song is your favorite. And by the way, I got new merch. You like it? If you want this merch, just have to copy this design. I'll be giving this design in the shirt, in the not shirt, link description below. And yeah, and then you can copy and get your own. So but for now,